All right, my little Michael Jordan. Do it again. Go do it again. What are you playing? Basketball? Good job, Caleb. Get the basketball. Try again. Keep trying. Doing good, buddy. You like basketball? Got the ball? Okay, let's try again. Yay! 2 points! Say 2 points. Say 2 points, Mom.
2 points.
Keep practicing. Good job, buddy.